Okay, so to accompany next week's webcast, we need to be able to record whether your candidate is competent through the questionnaire, and also look at other evidence that is starting to come together through the course to determine whether there is sufficient evidence. So I've resaved into week 4 the original assessment tool from week 2 that was Susan's tool, because you are all in Susan's group, you're all doing the same course, you're all being asked for the same types of evidence. So if you can put your candidate's name in there, I'm going to leave January group. I'll just change that actually to January 2013 group, and just you insert your partner's name. The assessor will be our senior assessor, James Spargo. Okay, so the purpose obviously is going to be establish if competency is achieved following learning, and the context is in the workplace. Now, pardon me, I'll just blow that up so it's a little bit easier for you to see. It's just a little bit sticky, this one. Okay. Let's see if I can zoom it that way. Alright, that's better for you. Okay, so the context is a simulation because it's e-learning. Okay. There's no workplace that is paying for this, so this is just individuals. We don't need then to have a workplace that you will be training in, so it's just your home. So we'll actually just put candidate's home e-learning. You might find that I'll leave this level of it available for you, because there's really no need to double up. E-learning delivery, that's fine. So the stakeholders are going to be the assessor, and just the RTO, that's fine. Assessment methods. So now this is where we have to look at, this is going back to our first unit of competency. There has been some direct observation, and you as an assessor are now going to be directly observing your candidate as they are assessing your own questionnaire. So it sounds a little bit complicated, but you as an assessor in our next webcast will be looking at how you'll be observing their knowledge of the questionnaire. They've been provided with the answer benchmarks, and they will be identifying whether you've met what's required for competency. So you'll actually be observing quite a few different units of competency next week, and I will build all of the assessment tools for that. But just so you can follow through, you will be observing their knowledge of the training package, which is the design and develop learning programs. And that's really work activities in a simulated environment. So that's one assessment method, but we need to be sufficient. So the fact that we're actually doing this as an activity within our learning, we've got a role play going on when we break you out into the breakout rooms. You will be assessing each other from your questionnaires. So we've got that documented evidence. And you won't be looking at their portfolios of evidence. I'll probably come back and enhance it and see overall what we have there. So, and there's no actual evidence from the workplace that they're submitting. So we've already shown some sufficiency there.